Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I have a 1-year-old and let me tell you, he is messy. He also loves to drink anything I'm drinking, which I found out recently, especially smoothies. So these haakaa pouches are absolutely awesome. Pouches from the store are getting really expensive, so I wanted to start making my own purees at home. But one thing I was concerned about was cleaning out the pouches because I obviously did not want them getting moldy or getting any food stuck inside there because that's just blech. So these are actually so easy to clean. This lid just pops right off and you can really use any bottle brush to clean these. There's no corners really, it's all rounded, so it's really easy to get in there. I usually just pump some soap in and shake it up and then do a little brush around inside. I love that he can drink from this on his own and it's not gonna spill if he drops it on the floor. It's totally spill proof. If you have a toddler running around that loves purees, these are for you, but that's just my point of view.